Top 10 World's Ground Attack Aircraft. Number 1. T-50 Golden Eagle, South Korea. Number 2. A-10 Thunderbolt II, USA. Number 3. AMX, Brazil, Italy. Number 4. Yak-130, Russia. Number 5. Embraer EMB 314 Super Tucano, Brazil. Number 6. Su-25 Grach, Russia. Number 7. L-129 ALCA, Czech Republic. Number 8. IAR-99 SOIM, Romania. Number 9. C-101 Aviojet, Spain. Number 10. Alpha Jet, France, Germany. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel to get more amazing videos like this. Jai Hind.